Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute cartoon Gamera. Gamera is very similar to Godzilla. It's another kaiju. But yeah, we're going to go over that. So I'm using regular printing paper, and I'm going to be using this marker right here. It's a Crayola brand marker. You can get them anywhere. So that's pretty much it. You can use anything you want. Also, another thing is you don't have to go along with me. It'd be cool if you drew along with me, but you can also just watch it happen and kind of watch it come to life. So yeah, either one is fine. I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to draw a curved line for the top of the head. Over here, curve. Gonna go forward a little bit. Down. Gamera is a turtle. That's kind of the story of Gamera. It's a giant turtle. If you don't know who Gamera is, definitely go watch Gamera's movies. They're really, really, really cool. I love Gamera's movies. I'm gonna go over here, draw in. He's gonna have this huge tusk that comes up. I'm gonna go over here and curve that right here in the bottom of that to see where that cuts off. And I have a little bit of a smile here because I want him smiling. Now I'm gonna have a little that hee hee eye, like hee hee man. I like that eye a lot. Alrighty, gonna go over here below, pull down, zigzag a little bit over here. He's got a bunch of different looks because he's kind of, it's an old character and I forget, I have all the movies. I think there's like 9 movies? I forget. But very, very distinct look. It's got like a cool turtle shell, which we're about to do. Curve over here. I could pull down here to give him a neck. Alrighty. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw his hand, right? It's going to be just kind of like a mitten hand. I love that look. So, we're going to draw curve hand here. Think of like a teddy bear's arm. Very simple. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell icon right now. So the bell icon's going to let you know when I post. I'm going to be posting 2 times every day. I plan on doing it for the rest of the year, so absolutely, stay tuned, really, and it's gonna let you know when I post when you click that bell icon. Going over here, gonna give him the little nails, right, on the end of the arm. It's kind of turtle nails. Going over here, and I'm going to get that turtle shell in there, okay? Alrighty. Over here, and I'm going to curve to the front. The belly there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw Gamera's feet. So right here we're going to have a curved line, like a C curve, very simple C curve for the front of the leg. Gonna pull down. Similar to Godzilla's leg, but I would say Gamera has very separated toes. He will have these spiked toes, where Godzilla will have more like... He will have spiked toes, but it looks very similar to like an elephant foot, just because of the shape. Curve over here. Yeah, close that in there with that turtle shell. All right, over here on this side, we're gonna draw the other knee on the far end. Going over here. Same thing, that foot. That far end foot. Alright. zoom in here. We're gonna go in. So we're gonna draw his far side hand, the hand on the far end. So right here, it's really just gonna look like a ball or something sticking out from the side. But you're gonna have these very simple claw shapes. All right. I'm gonna go over here, and now I'm gonna draw that turtle shell. So he's had some looks where it's a sharp turtle shell, and some looks where it's kind of like a flat turtle shell. So I'm gonna give maybe a little bit of a mix to it, like just a tad. I'm going to kind of draw some of it flat. Well, see, here's the thing. I'm gonna draw this. So the spikes are softer. That's a big thing with this. I want any spikes to be kind of, you know, larger, like you know, very like toy spikes. Going over here. All right. Now I'm going to do the outside of the shell. That's the rim of the shell. Now I'm going to go over here, do the outside of the shell. Zigzag in over here. It's got layers to it. You'll notice the shell. And this is more or less just the way his shell is, pretty much. Alright. Let me draw the tail. I'm going to give him a much smaller tail than I would Godzilla per se. Alright. And now we're going to do the front. He's a turtle, so he's going to have a pattern at the front of him, at the front of his body. Draw a line there. Maybe a thin line here with a kind of a circle shape he has in his solar plexus. Reminds me almost of like a Pokemon. Line across here. If you want to add something to him, you could give him a brow. So I could draw like this. It makes him look more like Gamera. Gamera tends to have like a big brow, meaning that bone that's there, not so much, you know, like an eyebrow. You know, I mean like the brow that'd be there naturally. And I could also draw some teeth here, sticking out the bottom, just a little bit. Just to show that, you know, he's got a little bite. He's not just a wuss there. You know, he can really fight. And as far as any other detail, you can draw his nails on here. But yeah, watch Gamera movies. If you don't know who Gamera is, I mean, I don't know why you would watch this long if you don't know who Gamera is, but Gamera is essentially just like Godzilla. It's another kaiju, and I really enjoy his movies as well. The last movie I think Gamera had was like in 1999, so 20 years ago. But it is, you know, they're amazing movies. If you're anything, if you're into kaijus or Godzilla, or you know, you're able to watch those old. Oh, one thing right here for the nostril. I forgot about that little notch, just a little dash there for the nostril. I think that really completes it actually. But that's it. Oh, well, heart. I love these hearts. I think it makes everything look cute. I might just start overusing the hearts. I'm not sure yet. Alright, that is it. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I've been doing this for 6 years, and I've met nothing but beautiful people. Everybody's been so unbelievably nice to me. And I just want to thank you for watching, and thank you for, you know, making me feel good. And also just learning. The more you guys learn, I mean, I'm here really as like a service to you guys. It's free. And that is it. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon, okay? Later.